Alright, yo, what's up, guys? So, today we're going to be doing my EDC. This is going to be for out of school. I'll probably make another video of one that I'll use at school, but this one is, like, weekend or, like, after school hours when I'm going to a friend's house, stuff like that. Because some of the stuff can obviously get me in trouble. So, yeah. So, let's get started. So, it's mostly all going to be black. I guess I should start with this one thing that's not black. This is my Mountain Dew chapstick. I know it's decent. It does the job it's supposed to. So it's chapstick. What more can you expect? And then so here, this is my card wallet. It's a minimalist wallet. So So I've got my 3 cards I put in there: ID, Subway, and my library card. I should be getting a Cash App card soon, so that'll be good. But till then, these are all the cards I have to put in there. So and it has a money clip on it. I got this on Amazon for like $20. Not the most expensive, but it does the job good, like the chapstick does. And this goes on my left hand. It's my watch. I got this from Walmart for I think like $10. It's a good watch. It has multiple functions. It has solar charge, day of the week, seconds, all that stuff. And I wear that on my left. It's pretty good. It goes underwater 50 meters. It's good. And we've got this goes on my right hand. I use this just like on rituals, I guess. Kind of. It has a compass, whistle, flint, as well as a steel. It's from the brand. It's like Atomic something. So that's my That's my bracelet. I've got my chosen. This is a mechanical pencil. Comes with lead. Obviously, I use this at school a lot. It's from Zuba. Super good. Nice metal. I've had this for about a year. It looks really good. So next, we've got my pen. So this is from Stealth Angel. You can see the logo right there. And it's a super good pen. You have to twist this. Okay, because I'm doing it. Well, I might be able to. No, black ink, super good. Other side, it has a thing to break glass, And it has a clip on it here. So we have that. See, we have my AirPod case. It's black and red, I've got carabiner for it. And this is the last thing. This definitely isn't allowed for school. It's my CRKT Maven knife. Super good. This is one of my mains. It's super good. Does have to be sharpened. I think this is like if I'm going for like all black or like not necessarily like that good. I'll show you the knife I've been using a lot. It's this. It's the M20. It's the M&P M20. It has everything you should need. It has a glass pick on the back. It has seatbelt cuddle, and then that's bad. So is that. It's not the cleanest right now, so it's not There we go. Good knife, pretty salty. There we go. That's a good knife. I have two more knives I'll show you right now too. This is my Swiss Army knife. Multiple functions, you know. Great for just, not necessarily like hard walk, but like multifunctioning. Then I got my butterfly knife, kinda. I don't know what brand it is. Yeah, it's probably just some random brand here. Yeah, I don't see branding anywhere. All this is China. Full 40 stainless. Okay, that's pretty decent, but I mean, definitely could be better. Yo. This is that serial code. Okay, so it doesn't exactly say the steel type on that one. This one doesn't either, I don't think. Oh, yeah, it does. It's just 69.30. So this one's pretty good. I mean, this one has about a 3-inch bleed, so this is one I'm pretty sure. Oh no, that has like a 2.5. Oh no, they're about the same, okay. This one is a bit longer. This one has a better spring. Well, this one's still good. There we go. You know, so it's pretty good. So like, this is like my most stuff. Obviously, this definitely cannot be allowed at school. See, ending it deal. You know. So like I said, this is for like out of school. It's like, cause I ride my skateboard a lot, like especially to like my cousins and stuff, and like my friends. And, like I ride across a highway. And since I ride across the highway, I need protection against, because there's also like a bit of falls like kind of by it. It's like I need some protection so no one comes up and tries to kidnap me. And so it usually depends on where I'm going. If I'm just going like around the neighborhood, I'll probably take this one. Cause I mean it's not that heavy, and then like it's pretty useful. But then, if I'm going like across the highway, I'll clean this up and then take this, because I mean, it's multifunctional. So if someone kidnaps me, I can easily just whoosh, cut the seatbelt, break the glass, you know. This is way heavier. This is, let's see. I think this is about 5 kilograms, and this is probably about like 3, 4.5, you know. Something around that. But yeah, so that's my overall, you know. This might change, because I have 2 other wallets. Grab those. Yeah, hold on. So I might switch between, I mean, they're not as, I mean, this one I love, because it can store plenty of cards and has plenty of space for money. Let's see, I got this one that I got from Chicago. Oh, that's my Amazon card now. My old ID, and it just has spots for money, like a normal wallet, a trifold wallet. This one's just a regular one. Osashi. Probably a rip off, but I don't know. again, two spots for money. But yeah, so that's gonna conclude it for this video. And yeah, so I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.